Welcome back to Turbo Rider. Today, I'm going to give you a complete overview of the 2025 Harley Davidson Night Road, a bike that has gained massive popularity in custom and imported markets. Keep in mind, Harley Davidson officially discontinued the V-Rod lineup in 2021, so the 2025 Night Road is not a factory model. Instead, it is a custom-built or imported V-Rod that riders modify to achieve the Night Road look and performance. Engine and performance. The 2025 Custom Night Road features Harley's legendary liquid-cooled Revolution V-twin engine with a 1,250 cubic centimeters displacement. It delivers around 120 to 125 horsepower and close to 120 Newton-meters of torque. The bike is known for its smooth high-rev performance, aggressive acceleration, and sport cruiser riding feel. It comes with a 5-speed transmission and a reliable belt drive system. Design and styling. The Night Road stands out with its bold drag-style design. It features a long wheelbase, low seat height, and a muscular body that gives it a premium, powerful presence on the road. Most builds come with a fat 240mm or even 300mm rear tire, and LED headlight, custom paint options, and a short loud exhaust system like Akrapovic or Screaming Eagle. Brakes and suspension. For braking, dual front discs are standard, and some builds even include ABS. The suspension setup usually includes upside-down front forks and either monoshock or dual shock at the rear, depending on the custom design. Electronics and features. The bike usually includes LED indicators, a digital meter, and sometimes a keyless system depending on the customization. Rider modes are generally not included unless a modern ECU is installed. Fuel economy and riding experience. You can expect around 14 to 16 kilometers per liter of fuel efficiency. The bike offers a stable, powerful, and thrilling ride, especially on long, straight roads due to its drag-style stance. Price in Pakistan. In Pakistan, the price of a custom 2025 Night Road ranges between 25 to 55 lakh rupees, while heavily modified premium builds can go up to 60 to 80 lakh or even higher. Final verdict. Overall, the 2025 Night Road is a beast for riders who love power, style, and attention. While it's not an original factory model, the custom Night Road delivers an unmatched presence and performance on the streets. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.